we're gonna make some beef skewers. We have a fillet of beef here. We're gonna skewer them, but first, let's make the glaze, okay? Or the sort of the thing that we're gonna brush on it. All right, so we're gonna start with some soy sauce, 2 kinds of mustard, Dijon, and some whole grain, some fresh garlic, some paprika, some honey, some white wine vinegar, and a little salt and pepper. Kind of spicy, got a little sweetness in there with the honey, pungent from the mustard. Okay, that's gonna be our glaze we're gonna use to brush on. Now, we have our fillet of beef here, and this is what we're gonna use to make our beef skewers. Okay, so about 1 inch to 1.5 inches in thickness. And then cut it in half. And we're gonna use our skewers again, the ones that we waterlogged. And I'm putting 2 skewers for each one so that it stays nice and flat. So now let's go over to the grill. But before we do that, we're just gonna put a little oil and salt and pepper. Top of the beef. Okay, we got our glaze. And our beef skewers. Let's go. Woo. Nice and hot. Okay. Let's put some of this glaze on here. Very flavorful. You know, the great thing about beef tenderloin is that, you know, it's tender, hence the name. But you could always use a little more flavor, in my opinion. And so we're gonna actually give it some more flavor with our glaze. Think about it, 2 mustards, some honey, got some white wine vinegar in there, some paprika. Should taste pretty good. We don't want to overcook these. I'm just gonna flip them once. Get the glaze on the other side. I mean, these go really quickly. You just want to sort of give it a nice crustiness from the glaze. See that? Actually starts to caramelize a little bit. You want a nice hot grill for this. And now we can take them off the grill. They look great, look at that. Nice and caramelized from the honey, well flavored, and not overcooked.